Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here, and with this video we will try to understand that despite being categorized into a monsoon type of climate, why are there variations in temperature and precipitation throughout India? India falls under the category of monsoon type of climate, correct? So according to this logic, there should be equal amount of precipitation throughout India. There should be same temperature throughout India. But is it so? There are places like Meghalaya that have precipitation as high as 400 centimeter. On the other hand, there are places like Thar Desert or Ladakh which receive precipitation less than 10 centimeter. There are places like Rajasthan which have temperature above 50 degrees Celsius, whereas there are places like Kashmir that have temperature in minus. So, what are the factors that control these variations? We will get to study the factors that influence the climate of a place. And there are six major factors that affect the climate of a place. They are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, pressure and wind system, ocean currents, and relief features. Now we will study each one of them in detail, starting with latitude. So we had studied what are latitudes, what are longitudes in the first chapter itself. Now try to recall it that latitudes are the imaginary lines on Earth's surface that run from west to east. These are called latitudes. But the question arises is that what role does latitude exactly play in controlling the climate of an area? How does it influence the climate of an area? To understand this, first we should know that due to curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to latitude. Different latitude receives different amount of solar energy. Why? Because of the shape of earth. The solar rays that fall on the equator are very direct. They cover a small area, and therefore the temperature at equator is quite high. Whereas the sun rays that fall over polar areas are slanting. They cover more area, and the effect of that sun rays is quite less. So the temperature at polar areas is very low. So lower the latitude is, more sun rays it will receive. For example, 0 degree equator receives the most sun rays, and higher the latitude is, for example, polar areas at 90 degree, it receives the least amount of sun rays. Now, as I told you, the more amount of sun rays a place receives, the higher the temperature gets. So the temperature at equator is very high, which makes it a tropical or equatorial type of climate. On the other hand, temperature at poles is very less. Why? Because the amount of sun rays receiving polar areas is very less. Moreover, it is slanting and it covers a wide area. So the effect of sun rays on polar areas is very less, which makes the temperature over there fall down. So due to this, the climate that polar areas face is temperate or frigid type of climate. Now there is one fact that variation in day and night is large in Kashmir, whereas in Tamil Nadu, the difference cannot be seen. It is also based on the fact of insolation. Insolation means the amount of sun rays received by an area. Now, because Kashmir is situated at higher latitude. The amount of sun rays it receives is less, whereas Tamil Nadu is situated at lower latitude. It is situated nearer to the equator, so it receives more insolation, more sunlight. Now, because Tamil Nadu receives more sunlight, the duration of day becomes long. It has 12 hours day, 12 hours night. So the variation is negligible. Whereas Kashmir receives short amount of sunlight, which makes the days shorter in Kashmir. And therefore, the difference between variation in day and night is large at Kashmir, whereas it is negligible in Tamil Nadu. And due to these temperatures, the climate also varies accordingly. As I told you, temperature is high at equator, so the climate becomes equatorial type of climate or tropical type of climate. Temperature at poles is less, so it faces frigid type of climate or temperate type of climate. So I hope the factor latitude, how affects the climate of an area, is clear to you. We will study the factor altitude in next video. Till then, stay safe and have a good day.